Hi, my name is Ben, and today we're going to talk about how to relieve hip pain. Hip pain is something that a great many people generally partner with cutting-edge age. And the vast majority will have seen motion pictures or ads indicating elderly folks, individuals tottering about while boisterously of the anguish of the hips were causing them. While it is positively evident that torment in the hip is usually more among older people, generally because of the beginning of the joint agony from joint inflammation, there are different reasons such as pain is like this, and how to reduce hip pain should be at our interest. In any case, young people can likewise encounter the kind of pain because of physical wounds or just from abuse. Today we're going to look at a few different things that you can do to help relieve hip pain. The first one we're going to talk about is physical therapy. One of the best ways on how to reduce hip pain is through physical therapy. Physical therapy treatment can both help lessen the torment you feel and enhance the scope of movement and versatility of your hip. This is especially valid on account of physical wounds, while certain muscles should be restored and prepared to assume control over the obligations of harmed ligaments and tendons. A standout among the best types of active recuperation that has reliably demonstrated successful outcomes in giving relief from discomfort and contributes to how to relieve hip pain in chiropractic treatment. The absolute first thing that your chiropractor will do when you plan on your first session will be to experience your medicinal history in detail. It is essential for your chiropractor to know the definite reason for your agony, what wounds and restorative conditions that you may have had, and what treatment you've had, assuming any. This will empower the chiropractor to precisely survey the degree of concern and decide which kind of therapy is fitting for you and preferred answer on how to reduce hip pain for you. Also, the most widely recognized treatment for torment in the hips is chiropractic alteration, where the joints are controlled and changed by soothing strain inside those joints. The strain is typical supporter of joint agonies, and by realigning the muscles, ligaments, and tendons around the joints, you make it less demanding and quicker for your body to mend itself. You will most likely likewise be endorsed sure activities or stretches to be done at home to keep your body agile while your hip recover is in full scope movement and therefore contribute to how to reduce hip pain. Rehabilitative exercise is one of the ways on how to reduce hip pain. But one issue that chiropractors and therapists frequently face is patients not having their influence in their own recuperation. Your therapist can do just as much in planned session with you as it truly is dependent upon your play to require activities at home and enhance your condition. A few patients surrender because their activities are tiring and cause extra agony. Yet it is periodically essential to preserve through additional hardships to set legitimacy headed straight towards recuperation. You can likewise do hip reinforcing practices regardless of whether you have been or not recommended such activities on how to reduce hip pain. You should utilize the pain as a guide on the off chance that you're considering doing other activities. If any activity causes you torment or pain, at that point you should stop quickly and either complete an alternative exercise or contact your chiropractor or specialist first. By joining rehabilitative activities with your appropriate chiropractic treatment and exercise based on recuperation, you augment the odds of recuperating from whatever is causing your hip torment. There are various distinctive conceivable reasons for hip torment. However, they should all be able to be tended with correct treatment. Another option you may look at is a blog. HealthMate Forever offers tens and different pain relief type treatments that may be something that can help your condition and reduce hip pain. Now, I've talked about just a couple different things that you can do to reduce hip pain. There are other options out there, and there may be additional things that you have to do. But you always want to contact your medical professional when looking to do something that's maybe a little bit out of the ordinary. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. And if you'd like any additional information on anything we talked about today, please check out the links, and thank you for watching.